Uh-oh, looks like rain. Those are some fearsome clouds. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Hate what? Storms, of course. Really? I think they're kind of exciting. Yes, even beautiful. Are you messing with me? No, we're not. It excites you then, when lightning comes down from the sky like the hammer of Thor. Storms are the worst. Lightning crashing, thunder booming. We're doomed. Doomed as a species. You realize that you've lived through storms before? Barely. Oops, I felt a raindrop. Come on, my babies, into the hutch. Oh, it's starting. Help! Ranger, help!
I watch for predators. I can't control the weather. Take cover in the barn.
The barn? The barn is the worst place. It will be hit by lightning and burned to the ground.
Not likely.
What? The barn is going to burn down? Yes. The sky is going to unleash fire.
Stop fear-mongering.
I tried to tell you, you wouldn't listen. Oh, a big noise when I was just about to doze. Oh no, this water is all wet. Mama, the hutch! The hutch is leaking, Mama!
The pig was right. That storm is coming to get us.
It's not. Everyone keep calm.
Panic! Quickly! Everyone panic! The treehouse is warm and dry. Everyone come to the treehouse.
No. Happy, come down. Lightning tends to strike the tallest objects around.
The lightning is going to get the llama. He's tall.
No! The lightning's never gonna get me! I'm gonna hide underwater in the pond! You know, it's early yet, but that is easily the silliest thing I've heard today.
Lightning is even more likely to strike water than land.
I'm gonna die! It's gonna get me!
Help! Help us!
Great. Everything's starting to fall apart.
When thunder roars, go indoors. When thunder roars, go indoors.
Yes. Reese, Renee, I hate to disturb you, but the pig is afraid of the storm, and he's whipping everybody into a frenzy.
Let us help. Bring everyone in here.
Water got all over my face. I heard loud thunder. Lightning flashed in my eyes. I went blind. Wind was coming in the hutch.
You will be safe in here. We can watch the storm through the window. Reese, I feel foolish. You shouldn't. Everyone is afraid of something. No, even Ranger? Even Ranger. What are you afraid of, Ranger?
I'm not telling.
Tell! I'll tell. I'm afraid of being all alone. I'm afraid of flapping ducks.
Flapping ducks?
I'm afraid of snakes. Boy, I hate them. They're too long, too slithery. They don't have legs. They're not right. I'm afraid of the loud noises that machines make. I'm afraid of turtles. I'm afraid of heights. What about you, Jada? I'm afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of dogs. Daisy, you are? Well, there was that terrible ordeal with Jace trying to make friends with me. So I am, until I really get to know them. I'm afraid of the vet. Renee, I'm afraid of thunder and lightning. Everyone already knows that about you. I don't like to be trapped in a small space.
I'm afraid of germs and dirt. I'm afraid of birthday parties.
I'm afraid of peanut butter sticking to the roof of my mouth and making me choke. I can only eat small bites. Mirrors scare me to death.
I'm afraid of the color yellow. Too bright. School buses are the most distressing. I'm afraid of being without my baby.
Well, I'm afraid of Ranger.
Good.
I'm afraid of balloons.
I'm afraid of numbers. And I'm afraid of the bath.
See? Everyone is afraid of something. So we all just do the best we can. And we have each other to help when we are afraid. What are you afraid of, Ranger?
This conversation?
You should tell me.
Nothing really, except maybe failure.
But you put yourself in situations every day where you could fail.
I face my fears.
Of course you do.
Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.